Today, we're taking an exclusive first look at the highly anticipated 2026 Harley Davidson Model R.
How are you, riders? Welcome to Bike Zone Showroom. Today, get ready for something that shakes the floor the moment it enters the room. Because Harley Davidson has returned with a machine that doesn't just ride, it declares presence. This is the 2026 Harley Davidson Model R, a motorcycle built for riders who want raw attitude, refined muscle, and that unmistakable Harley soul. From the moment you first see it, this bike demands your attention. The stance is low, wide, and intimidating, with a forward-leaning silhouette that makes it look like it's ready to launch even when standing still. Harley has taken the classic cruiser DNA and injected modern aggression, creating the Model R as a fresh chapter in the brand's future lineup. The steel frame, the exposed mechanical character, the sharp LED headlamp with its futuristic DRL signature, everything has been sculpted to feel premium yet powerful. The tank carries that bold Harley curve, but sharper and more chiseled. Even the tail section is minimal but muscular, making the bike look like a compact powerhouse. It's the kind of motorcycle that makes people stop mid-conversation just to stare at it. And once the engine comes alive, the sound alone tells you this motorcycle wasn't engineered to whisper. It was designed to announce arrival. As for the price, the 2026 Harley Davidson Model R starts at approximately $19,900, depending on region and optional upgrades. The R Heritage Edition will come in slightly higher due to its premium equipment and limited availability. Underneath all that attitude lives the beating heart of the Model R. A high-performance Revolution Max 1300cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. In 2026, Harley has tuned this engine for better throttle response, improved low-end torque, and more refined power delivery. The numbers speak for themselves: around 150 horsepower and a massive wave of torque that pushes you forward with a slight twist of a wrist. Real-world performance is everything you'd expect from a modern Harley: powerful, confident, and addictive. Whether you're pulling away from a traffic light or overtaking on the open highway, the Model R feels like a machine that wants to run. But it's not just brute force. The engine is smoother, more efficient, and more responsive than previous generations. Harley has balanced heritage and innovation, offering that classic V-twin rumble with modern engineering precision. The bike delivers a strong mid-range punch, letting you ride comfortably at low RPMs or unleash full power when the road opens up. It's a motorcycle that makes you want to stretch every ride a little further. Handling on the Model R is where Harley's development team has truly stepped things up. With a new lightweight frame, revised geometry, and a fully adjustable suspension system, the Model R feels surprisingly agile for its muscular size. The front forks are inverted and tuned to absorb bumps with stability and control, while the rear monoshock provides a planted, comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Cornering feels sharper, more predictable, and more confident than you'd expect from a cruiser with this much power. Braking has also seen a major upgrade, with dual front disc brakes supported by cornering ABS and a revised traction control system. Whether you're cruising in the city, leaning into scenic bends, or confidently pushing it on the highway, the Model R sticks to the road with authority. Harley has blended comfort and performance in a way that feels modern, yet still unmistakably. Harley. Technology on the 2026 Model R takes things to the next level. A beautifully integrated 6-inch TFT display gives you everything you need: navigation, ride modes, performance stats, and Bluetooth connectivity. The bike features multiple ride modes including rain, road, sport, and a customizable rider mode, letting you fine-tune throttle response, engine braking, and traction control. Harley has added smart key functionality, cruise control, and improved rider assist electronics to make long rides easier and safer. LED lighting all around, fast-charging USB ports, and updated sensors make this motorcycle feel like a fusion of mechanical soul and modern intelligence. The Model R may look raw and powerful, but it's packed with technology that enhances every moment on the saddle. Comfort has always been a priority for Harley riders, and the Model R continues that tradition with a well-designed seat, wide handlebars, and a riding posture that feels natural for both short city rides and long-distance cruising. The wind management is improved, reducing fatigue during extended highway stretches. The fuel tank is designed to offer a practical range of around 300 to 330 kilometers, depending on riding style, making it suitable for touring without constant fuel stops. This bike isn't just for weekend cruising. It's built to be ridden and enjoyed every day. Now here's the exciting part. Harley Davidson is also releasing a special, our Heritage Edition of the Model R, for 2026. This limited edition features exclusive paint schemes inspired by classic Harley models. A unique numbered badge on the tank, performance exhaust installed from factory, and premium leather seat stitching. Only a limited number of units will be available globally, making it a collectible for true Harley loyalists. If you love rare machines that hold their value, this edition will be one to chase. So who is the 2026 Harley Davidson Model R for? It's for riders who want a motorcycle with character, not just a machine but an identity. It's for the cruiser lovers who want power without compromise, style without sacrificing technology, and the unmistakable Harley presence with modern engineering. Whether you're upgrading from an older Harley or entering the Harley family for the first time, the Model R offers an experience that blends tradition with next-generation performance. It's a bike for long-distance explorers, city cruisers, and riders who live for the sound of a V-twin roaring under the open sky. And as we reach the end of this review, imagine yourself gripping those handlebars, hearing the engine rumble beneath you, and feeling the road stretch out ahead. The Model R isn't just transportation. It's a journey, an emotion, and an invitation to ride with freedom and confidence. When you sit on this motorcycle, the world becomes a little larger, the horizon becomes a little closer, and every ride becomes a story worth telling. This is Bike Zone signing off. Ride safe and never stop exploring.